Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the pop-up notification for friend requests. Maybe you're playing a game and you don't want to see that pop up. Now, this is easy to disable on your PlayStation 5. We can go to Settings right here. Scroll on down to Notifications. Then go to the right and then scroll on down until we get to the section for friend requests. So you'll see we have the option to allow these during games, show pop-ups during videos, during broadcasts, etc. So we can completely disable them during games by uncheckmarking this. So sometimes when I'm live streaming, I don't like seeing these pop up at all, and I'll disable them. Same thing for messages, but I like them on when I'm playing a game by myself. So you can choose which one you want, and we also have the option for during videos. So just come to this section, you can disable the friend request, and then you're not completely disabling them where you can't receive any. So we can still go back to the game base at any point in time, and we can see who sent us a friend request. So we just have to go to this section. You can see I have 58 friend requests just sitting there, and then we can accept or deny them under this screen. So it looks like a lot of these are the close friend requests. So I won't see them pop up now, but I can go to them and accept them later on in the future. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.